September, we're heading to HOTA's Kids Takeover Festival. And you're coming with us. Our first adventure takes us back in time to Earth's dinosaurs, while you'll come face to face with incredible prehistoric creatures. Next, we're buzzing into a bee story, where two mischievous bees set off on an unforgettable adventure.
Hang on, what's that smell?
Grab your headphones and help Finnegan, the fart detective, solve one very smelly mystery. One thing I'm most looking forward to is the night walkers. These larger-than-life frogs are cool during the day, but awesome at night. They each represent a species of frog which is endangered or extinct, sending a valuable message about how we can protect our wildlife for generations to come. And that's only the beginning. There are heaps more shows, activities and adventures waiting for you at HOTA's Kids Takeover Festival this September.